Hello guys and welcome to my video. So in this today's video we are going to talk about the uh, Cisco Meraki Agentic AI demo. In this particular demo we are going to create uh, a network, and then once we create the network then we are going to assign the template. We are also going to create a configuration template and then it will be assigned to the network. So that will be not only done through the Python but also through the agentic AI approach, right? So uh, before we go that, we'll just like to show you, this is the Cisco Meraki dashboard that you are seeing on my screen, and in a short while I'll be showcasing you how we are going to run it, right? So the coding part we are going to discuss in the next video, but in this video I'm just going to showcase you the architecture and basically uh, the rest of the environment and how to run the script, right? So uh, this is the high level architecture, right? And in the high level architecture we basically have the ways through which we go out and execute the use case. The system components as the user interface, the AI LLM application layer, the Cisco Meraki API layer, state management, utility services, and security, where we use the token based authentication, and how the agent interacts with the token, and uh, then logs into the Cisco Meraki and does rest of the task, right? This is the data flow and API diagram, and you can see over here that how the user is basically interacting with the application layer, which is having the Python based code through the OpenAI APIs, and then it is logging in through the Cisco Meraki dashboard using the RESTful API approach through the token based authentication mechanism, and then we are able to run the APIs like API creation of the network, creation of config template, binding the template, and then getting the device and the network information, leveraging those APIs to get the network and the configuration template information, right? Also we are performing the state management. The session context is being saved, and we can also, as part of the next step, we can use it for the MCP ready architecture, uh, where we can, as part of next step, we can leverage this particular script for the APIs, not just to create and bind the templates, but there are many more tasks that can be done. We can bind those particular APIs and create an MCP server through which we can execute the use case in a much more probabilistic way, as the current way that we are going to see is a deterministic way, right? So that's about it for the MCP architecture. Okay, so as we have discussed this, so we'll try to uh, create the demo, and then in a short while we are going to move towards the demo, right? Okay, so now we are prepared to move to the demo. And the today's demo is for the Cisco Meraki AI agent. Okay, so now let me move to the script. So this is the script, right? And we have also created some of the prompts, right? So we will be running these prompts through the agentic AI approach. Right now you can see that in the Cisco Meraki currently there is no network configured, right? So through the agentic AI approach, by entering up the prompt, we are going to create two networks, right? So we are going to just take this first prompt to create a network called as the Delhi office, and then we are going to run this prompt into the our agentic AI assistant application, right? So once we do that, the OpenAI is going to take this particular prompt and it is going to hit at a particular function that is going to create the network called as Delhi office. So once we do that, uh, we are going to get a response, and the Delhi office will be created inside the Cisco Meraki, and this particular network will be, you would be able to see this as provisioned, right? So uh, that will be done, right? So I press enter. Now you would be able to see that the particular network will be created. Now you can see that the network has been created successfully. The name is Delhi office, and then you can see the LID also, right? So if I go to Cisco Meraki and then if I refresh it, you will be able to see the network Delhi office getting created. So there you go, you are now able to see that the Delhi office has been created successfully. Let's go to the other prompt, right? So now we are going to create another network named branch 01. Okay, now the branch 01 network has been created in a similar fashion as we created the Delhi office, right? You can see the branch 01 network and correspondingly the LID that has been generated for this office, right? If you refresh the Cisco Meraki dashboard, once again you would be able to see now two networks. The Delhi office was created earlier and now the branch 01 has also been created, right? Moving on, now we are going to create another template, one new template called as the configuration template, and the template name is the HQ template. So I'll proceed with the creation of the HQ template, right? So I have entered the prompt over here. I'll press enter. Okay, before I do that, I'll take you to the organization and configuration template, right? So let me go over there. Yeah, so this is the configuration template, and once I click OK, you can see that there is no configuration template currently. So I'll press enter now. So it is in the process of creation of the HQ template. The template has now been created successfully, and you can see the LID of the configuration template as well, which is basically HQ template. So if I refresh Cisco Meraki, you would be able to see that the HQ template has been created successfully, right? Okay, now the next step is that we need to bind the HQ template with the Delhi office, right? So we are just going to put up the prompt to the prompt engineering, and to the prompt engineering approach we are going to bind the configuration template with the particular network over here, right? Let's go. Okay, so the template has been bound successfully between Delhi office and HQ template. So now if I go to the Cisco Meraki and if I refresh right now, let me have a click on it. Okay, so you can see that the number of outbound networks have become from 0 to 1, and now you can see that Delhi office has been subscribed successfully to the HQ. The HQ template has been subscribed to the Delhi office, right? Now I want to fetch some information, right, as part of the things that I have created or provisioned inside Cisco Meraki. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask for the network ID for Delhi office, right? So it is going to provide me the network ID, right? So that's a very simple information. So I'm just trying to get the network ID, which is basically the stateful information that we are trying to maintain inside this AI agent. Okay, so now you can see that the network ID has been presented. Now I'm trying to get the complete information for the Delhi office, so I'll just put in show the network information for the daily office, right? Go back and now press enter. Okay, now you can see that the entire information regarding the network daily office, the LID, the organization ID, product type, URL information, config template ID, name, time zone, enrollment string, tags, all the information that was proprietary to this daily office has been generated. Copying the other command, right, to get the same information for HQ template. Press enter, and now I'm getting the complete information for the get template info. Right, so this is the right information, right? Other than this, there are the help command and the exit command. So if I type help over here, you would be able to see all the commands that are relevant to this particular AI agent. uh, so now you can see the available commands over here, right? It is basically all the commands that we are typing in. And if I want to simply exit out of this particular AI agent assistant for Meraki, I can just type exit, and you can see on the screen it's pressed, and now you can see goodbyes, right? So the application is officially terminated. Okay, so that's all from our side, I think, and I hope that you would have liked this video. In the next part of this video, we would like to talk about the code, how the code was written, and how we were able to basically create a network and then provision a template, and then how we were able to fetch the information, right? So we'll be talking about that in detail. uh, I would like to thank you for the opportunity for showcasing this AI agent assistant. I hope you have liked the video, and I would see you into the next part of the video, where of course as I said, we will be talking about the code details for this AI agent for Cisco Meraki that we have created. So thank you all, and I would see you into the next video.